Hey there! Let's see how to do the setup for dynamic pricing using Channel Manager. Dynamic pricing in the hotel industry involves adjusting room rates in real time based on factors like demand, competition, booking time, and occupancy levels. Hotels use this strategy to maximize revenue, charging higher rates during peak times and offering discounts when demand is low. This pricing is often managed through softwares like Channel Manager to automate the process. Here are the steps to set up dynamic pricing using Channel Manager. First, log into the Channel Manager using your user ID and password. Once you're logged in, go to Setup. Then click on Dynamic Pricing Setup. Next, in the top right corner, click on Add Rules. In the pop-up page, select the room types and date range. Here I have selected Westside room type from the drop-down. If you want the rule to apply to extra adults or children, mark it here. Next, define the price increase based on inventory availability. Note, inventory should be entered in decreasing order from start to end. For example, I have done the setup in such a way that if the inventory for the room drops to between 10 and 5, the room price will get increased by 500 rupees. And if the inventory further decreases to between 4 and 2, the price will go up by 600 rupees. Once you've defined the values for these rules, simply click Submit. To better understand how it works, let's look at an example. For today's date, I have 25 rooms, and the price defined for this room is 12,000 rupees per night. Let's see what happens to the price if I reduce the inventory to 9. As you can see, once the number of rooms dropped to 9, the price automatically increased by 500 rupees, and the new room price automatically became 12,500 rupees, just as the setup done earlier. With that, we have successfully done the setup for dynamic pricing. Feel free to reach out if you need more information about our software and solutions. Thank you.